Some film locations stay with you forever, and sometimes recreating a cinematic look means going back to where it was born. When FilmConvert invited me to recreate the look of an iconic film, I picked one of my all-time favorites. Then I went through the film, frame by frame, looking for scenes that I could recreate. In the end, I narrowed it down to these three. My search led me to one place, India. So there was only one thing left to do: go. After days of searching, I finally found it. The place where the scenes were filmed. Mehrangarh Fort, Rajasthan. With the shoot complete, it was time to recreate the look. To understand how the film was graded, I turned to Shot Deck. It provided the original frames, technical references, and most importantly, the film stock behind the look. Let's start with the first scene and break down how I recreated it. Inside Resolve, I created a simple node tree with FilmConvert sitting at the very end. That's where my grade begins. First, I select the camera and the color profile I used. I only make small adjustments inside FilmConvert because most of the look is built outside the plugin, using the codec 5207 as the foundation. Film grain comes at the very end. The first node is all about matching shadows and contrast, while the next parallel nodes are dedicated to lighting adjustments, as I shot this scene under different lighting conditions than the original. Next, I fine-tuned the white balance. The final node before FilmConvert uses HSL curves to match the original colors. That's where the look really comes together, revealing the final image. Now onto the second scene, filmed inside an old archway in the fort. The original and my final grade, side by side. As usual, we begin with the log footage and apply FilmConvert first. Then on the first node, I adjust the shadows to match the original. From there, I fine-tune the white balance. Next, I use HSL curves again to dial in the colors. The final parallel nodes refine the colors locally, bringing everything closer to the original. With the second grade complete, only one scene remained. The one that started this entire journey. The shot I came all this way for.